Hello, my name is Tony. I'm going to be doing a review on the Chinster camera mount. Initial impressions are there is some assembly required. As you can see, it comes in a lot of pieces. The actual pieces themselves seem pretty durable, actually. Very pliable. Case. It's like, I guess they're 3D printed. Seems yeah, pretty durable. I'm not gonna try the hammer test they show in the video, but it looks like it's good quality. But if you're looking for something plug and play, this is definitely a little assembly required. They do include an instruction card, Chinster installation instructions, which looks like it's super easy. And they also have a video that you can scan. You only need a 2.5 and 3 millimeter Allen key, so keep that in mind if you order one of these. I saw this on Facebook and decided to give it a try. I like the idea that it buttons to your helmet, so it's probably just gonna go right here. Don't mind my helmet. I rode a couple days ago. I'm going to be riding again tomorrow, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. But I'll clean these sides off with alcohol just to make sure we get some good adhesion for the chin mount. But yeah, I'm going to put this thing together and then I will show you the finished product. All right, installation is complete. It comes with a few back pieces right here where you can actually adjust the angle of the camera. I think they go like right here. And that'll change the degree of which the angle's facing. So initially I remarked there's some assembly required, and there definitely is, but as you can see, pretty much change. You can fine tune, I guess, whatever angle you want the camera to be at. So you have several options of what degree you want it to face down or forward. My particular helmet, I had a screen down here, so I couldn't really mount it at an angle like this, so I just went a little higher. I actually put the helmet on and I couldn't even see the camera at all, so it doesn't obstruct view at all. I will say one thing, it's remarked in the video that you can access the battery door without taking it out of the case, but the GoPro Hero 8, you don't really get the right angle to get the battery out. I mean, I think this thing comes off, but it's at an angle where it doesn't really go higher. I know this hinge comes out, but it doesn't seem to be able to pull it off. So that's something to keep in mind when getting this. You can't really, let's see, take the battery out. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so that's the maximum point. You can pull the battery out with it still in the case. So overall though, it seems like a pretty solid mount. You got the buttons. I will say follow the instructions to a T when it comes to actually adhering it to the helmet. I adhered one side and tells you to take off one sticker at a time when backing the sticker, and I stuck it. Now I was like, I want to move it, like half a centimeter or whatever, and that thing was not budging at all. Also, following instructions, clean it with alcohol, so you have a nice bond to the helmet. I know a lot of people, they wax their helmets to clean them. You want to get all that cleaner material off before you actually put that 3M tape on, because once you stick it, it is not going anywhere, it seems like. But I'm gonna do some video testing tomorrow. I'll post a follow-up video to give a more comprehensive review. All right, thank you for watching. Oh, one more thing. If you're going to put this thing together, I would not recommend doing it at a track. There's several pieces and there's no extra, so if you lose one of those little square nuts, you are out of luck. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Oh wait, there's more. Yeah, so I talked about how I couldn't get the actual angle I wanted when I adhered the stickers to the helmet, but just tried something out, and flip it upside down. And kind of get a lower angle that way. And I know if you have your orientation setting on GoPro to automatic, it'll automatically flip the video, so you don't have to worry about it. Just have to remember, hit record from the bottom. But alright, that's it. Thanks. Bye.